Hi friends, welcome to GeeksforGeeks. This is a video tutorial on how to find maximum length prefix of one string that occurs as a subsequence in another. Let's have a look at the problem statement. Given two strings s and t, the task is to find the maximum length of some prefix of the string s which occurs in string t as subsequence. A subsequence is a sequence that can be derived from another sequence by deleting some elements without changing the order of the remaining elements. For input s equal to digger, t equal to bigger diagram, output is 3. Prefix dig of s is the longest subsequence in t. For input s equal to GeeksforGeeks, t equal to a, g, b, c, e, d, f, e, I, t, k, output is 4. Prefix geek of s is the longest subsequence in t. A simple solution is to consider all the prefixes one by one and check if the current prefix of s is a subsequence of t or not. Finally, return the length of the largest prefix. An efficient solution is based on the fact that to find a prefix of length n, we must first find the prefix of length n-1 and then look for s of n-1 in t. Similarly, to find a prefix of length n-1, we must first find the prefix of length n-2 and then look for s of n-2 and so on. Thus, we keep a counter which stores the current length of prefix found. We initialize it with 0 and begin with the first letter of s and keep iterating over t to find the occurrence of the first letter. As soon as we encounter the first letter of s, we update the counter and look for the second letter. We keep updating the counter and looking for the next letter until either the string s is found or there are no more letters in t. Now let's have a look at the implementation. Define count as 0. Iterate over string t. If we reach the end of string s, that is if count is same as string length s, break. And if characters match, increment counter. That is if ti is same as s of count, do count plus plus. Finally, return the value of count. The time complexity of this solution is order n, where n is the length of the second string t. Thank you for watching. Please leave us your likes and comments.